Alright, so in this video, I'll be giving a continuation on the different data classes in Python. So in the previous video, we touched on strings. So for example here, if I equated text equals to, let's say, good morning, and then I did this, type text. So it means when I put the command type, it means I'm trying to make the Python program discover or tell us what type of data class this text referring to this is. So you press enter and it tells you it's a class str or string, and a string, again, it just means that it's a data class that involves words, phrases, letters, and so on. So there are two other major data classes in Python, the first being integer, and as we know from high school or anywhere, an integer is just basically a whole number or a full number without any decimal points. So for example, 1, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. So it doesn't matter, just any number without any decimal points. So for example, let's take 10. So if we type and in brackets 10, it'll tell us that the class is int, which stands for integer. So that's the second data type in Python. And the third data type being discussed is a float. And a float also involves numbers, but these numbers have decimal points. So for example, 10.1, 10.5, 100.2, doesn't matter, just has decimal points. So for example, if we have 10.1, so if we do type 10.1, it will tell us that the class is a float and not an integer. Again, you can do anything with decimal points. So 100 or the 100,000.4 will still tell you it's a float. So that's the two other data points in Python. Thank you.